Today, we're testing the FindBuyTool Thickness Planer, a beginner-friendly machine designed for clean, accurate, and efficient woodworking. Whether you're new to planing or looking to upgrade, this tool promises stability, precision, and value right out of the box. You don't need to rely on feeling to adjust the depth. Even beginners can operate accurately. The most common fear for beginners is that the workpiece will move. The locking lever stabilizes the wood, allowing you to focus on cutting. The helical cutter head delivers a smoother, quieter finish. With 40 carbide inserts, it minimizes chatter and snipe, perfect for hardwoods, weathered, or engineered wood. The 0.5 millimeters rounded edges work like safety buffers, helping prevent scratches or splinters even if the insert isn't perfectly aligned. With a 150 millimeters edge radius, the insert boosts the cutter head's performance for smoother, more efficient cutting on all types of wood. When one edge wears out, just rotate the insert to a fresh edge, extending lifespan by 4 times and cutting replacement costs by 75%. The curved corners reduce edge chipping by 82% and keep the cutter running 55 degrees Celsius cooler, preserving wood quality in everything from hardwood to plywood. This planer offers full functionality, all the accessories you need, and is available at a very affordable price.